Hi everyone, this is a video for transaction 35. As you can see, it is a PDF file, so you will need Adobe Acrobat. If you do not have it on your computer, you can find it free online. Just do a search for Adobe Reader. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to fill in this box up here at the top. That is all information that can be found before the start of the long project. This is for the quarter of October, November, and December, so make sure you select that box. The number of employees who received wages on December 12th. So you would go to your employees' earnings record and you would count the employees. So the only employees that we do not have pay for that date are actually near the bottom of the forms. The only ones we're not paying are Williams. They were dismissed at the middle of November, and Young. Young did not get paid until the 18th. So you would count everybody else. So that is 10 employees. Now for wages, tips, and other compensation, what you would do, again, employees' earnings record, is you would go through and count. Actually, you would total all of the employees' quarterly earnings. So you would take the $89.76, add the $13.05, and then keep going for the quarterly totals for all of the employees. Once you add those amounts up, including Williams and Young, because they were paid during the quarter at some point, so make sure you include those. So that would be totaled it and wrote it down, 171, 917.47. You will need that amount for other forms, so when you get done with adding the total up, write it down somewhere because you will need it again. We're going to take out the amount paid to Russell's estate. And then we have to take away the amount of simple contributions because those are not taxable. So to find the total amount of simple contributions, we're going to go to the ledger, go to the simple contributions payable account, and look at the quarterly total. That's $8,250. So we're going to subtract $8,250. That gives us the amount we're going to enter in box 2. So it's 161,273 and 47 cents. Now that we have that amount, we're going to need to do box 3, federal income tax withheld from wages, tips, and other compensation. To do that, you're going to go to the employee's earnings record again, and you're going to the federal income tax column, and you're going to go to the quarterly total. So again, you're going to take all of your employees and enter in those amounts into a calculator, find the total, and that total gets put in box 3. Box 4 is going to be empty. We're not going to check it because we have wages that are subject to Social Security and Medicare tax. So for taxable Social Security earnings, we are going to take our quarterly gross total of 171,917.47 and subtract the amount of O'Neill's wages that were not covered. So we would go down to O'Neill, take his 131,538.41, subtract the max. Oops, I mistyped it in. So 131,538.41, subtract the 118,500 max, gives us $13,038.41. So that is what we're going to subtract. So I'm going to write that number down. so I have it for future reference. So we're going to go back to the form, take our 171,917.47, subtract our 1338.41. That gives us $158,879.69. And then we would do the multiplication to calculate column 2. We have no tips, so we're not going to have anything in boxes in box 5B. 5-6, we're going to take our full gross pay because there is no max on taxable Medicare wages. So that's going to be the 171,917.47. Do the math and then continue down through the rest of the form. There is a back page that you will need to complete. So you would have to enter in the liabilities for each month. And that can be found in the employee's earnings as well, just by taking the monthly totals. If you have any questions on this form, please let me know.